worried. He still stayed in the game as long as possible. So say it me back into the game. And then unfortunately, I think say yes, he ain't young qualifier, but look at that.
Me game one. Me say I said near Babo host nation Egypt. And now boys now Thomas because to be honest, my show goes near conceit my sha.
So, first one there. Who make say a miscommunication. I that's on head my goalkeeper and that's what you say emu 8 year. Inti on head be fa no or Chelsea manafa.
The second
goal.
goal.
Goalkeeper so anticipate and miscommunication fine. But the second goal we considered Minister committee me downloading goals in specific cars and be ya.
Mama goals no nko akeke na
Me dey need agu your platform.
Yeah, fan discuss it.
Second goal no say you will not understand why. Unti ase why. This is it. You different. He just stopped playing. McCarthy. He just stopped playing.
How?
And I mean Tiasieno. He just stopped playing.
Ya bobo Ediatum. Two players. Omu nyina say we na ekobo, say we na ekobo, say keeper na mpie mebo. No more drama branch na kobobo na say. Cheap goals. And then we consider. Because Senya sa goals we my Egypt sa team we. You better know my 3 days omu to branch.
He just and also ma apare be fan no okobobo na say.
Omu to me da.
Now even after considering these two goals. You better
Omo hwibiem.
You better omo just say omu to be go ahome. At this stage, the rich you don't just
no.
goals.
2 goals there,
no,
too much.
You will not get punished.
Too much.
I think say you not get punished. But your goals also were nice. There are no videos now.
Now Aziz the keeper no on no any.
I think almost say baby a bobo no Zeus one. E ben
empo
now river. Inti emfama na bofri nso ne ba.
I know dey okay.
This one come say oh hebo now. Say ball
no keeper no nso ache na wi.
Say ball ko flank wo bo say corner flags ni na e ho. This is emfama wo park me so. Inti Aziz shots no boy no rich. Emfama no Emma ball no DCV goalkeeper no. Then we had a penalty Suleiman expert. And Obebo penalty share. Then rich you drew penalty shootout. The oye first penalty taker na ball ni mu no ye nya penalty at that crucial stage.
Ko bo share.
Bo share no. Wa mo penalties ni bi. And then yesterday he film. He was enti na me bisa say oh toyama ye nya samian pon no aba ba sha. I just couldn't understand why. Na unim the emi ya parish. Unse squad we majority of them are foreign based players. Now the local media say oh and kinda 20 and 17 is our age groups in the and can the enemy say local players partner or what I dominate. Now then that's a team where I have 2 foreign base. Rich, me come on make his argument, you know. But omo make his argument, you know. Sad and they say, Rich, and no penalties, you know. Your local player now no your first 5 in the movie. The Costa no ball for young apostles no on a cobble penalty.
You could now kwa no zaku aseboy.
Ni dimi na was. Ni dimi na name.
No, my keeper. Unse nkofo ni keep onya de o. Akwa no bedem onya de si.
But who is that? For one man should be no. Rich, you ever pull extra time. And Egypt exchange your goalkeeper say, "Omo ni do
Akwa na nu na.
Aba o timi che ba ko ba Rich. Sama ko put on here no. What's enough for them?
Yeah. On sheda nyehu na say. Thank you. Unse so we player na ko bobo na. Adwene beba o timi say, Charlie, Egypt fo yi say ebedru penalties na so the keeper we never there just am say akwa dem go nim chiche e dey wo na akwa no so say obo yi bia so ya no matcho anu tina so be Aziz share no no way ni say anase akwa
so Azizi wuru no so say dey try wuru me ba
aso Azizi ko bobo na kwa ni huna no Azizi so born kodam eno sheme papa
na I was a bit ko ma bi to come ntimi anye because I thought say was the wrong time
ashim too much ashim too much ashim
me ya say Egypt for ni mo de bon tie
we o mu di timi ko bobo ka
last 15 minutes more than 20 minutes your ball with less than one man down.
But still now,
I was really hurt, given how he back into the game, and me pedes one of as empathy for him as a person. Now me person get team ne go through just for this one of because Rich, in the last 10 years, since 2015, I think the quarterfinals of the under 20 World Cup. No, since then I think the next one you can qualify, subsequent to you can qualify, you struggle. So this would have been and your youth teams now are performing well. Like Ayala, yes, there can be a good argument about youth teams no spine are usually in free Ghana. But now you're also now teams like Kesiane Babe Tome Friasiako. They are playing well. Bastona boys, look at all of these boys playing very, very well. And essentially, I think that Nani a very good opportunity. Football sometimes can be very cruel. But for bits of Desmond to suffer it now, and now it hurts me. But for his exploits and the job he has done as a youth team and even assistant to the Black Stars now, I think he's in Kesanka football reward in the Kakra. But I mean, come on.
Ajimamedu, a spot on analysis. Rich, wouldn't say, me GT power say, and Kiyanya record no in the extra time. And
Kebeshom.
And Cabon in
Copenhagen. Yeah.
Satan.
It's over on the Egypt for no. Red card number no more. I
because no person they do near too much.
Go on to me.
Not on my bread. Because no one to me on me.
Yeah.
Yeah, the body tap up your way, the chiomo, body and body botchum, and we were creating. What was it? I can't create Yama. Third go not home. Rich, then one counter attack. And a player no, echo foul or Brantian. Whether it was a foul or not. If the striker was even intelligent, so Obed draws a foul from your player and that was it. Because on your ball, not only so the pace ever share. But your player also our pace or chain on who's I go some young is a maybe over G. And your mammy showed him. Now on front of homecoming. Not on your last one, your money record. Already he was already on a yellow card. And it was easy for the referee so of a money record no. Rich, sir record now you did. And the man you slow down. Because now you couldn't race more with 10 men. And the man gave you a pinche. You had born echo penalties. Now, Rich, sir, last minute, Egypt for chance no Munyan. Omutu Konebi. Abaya Petra, or Bobo the Fair.
Me, I'm shame. Yes, ye, the defenders one more now. Or my dad, Branty, my boy. The one,
that was a moment. And I am to share was very, very high. I can't say Saboni that we went to penalties. 5-4.
The woman about the woman
Papa.
Oh, this year go find on any Japan.
Oh, we just needed this win.
And
we are near free.
Yeah. Team na here free and I'm yo. So I'm born on my year from
South Africa because they are playing very well.
And I'm not sure. Yama for the Rams 3220 A3581 A3582 A3583. And on 20